It's intended to embarrass or shame an ex or an enemy, but now New Mexico is the latest state to make so-called revenge porn a crime. News 13's Aaron Drawhorn has a look at this new law. Aaron?
Yeah, Dean, we see this scenario all too often, especially with young people. You have a racy text message. It goes from one phone to another phone, but then often after a relationship ends, it ends up on the internet. Graphic images for the whole world to see. Well, today, Governor Susana Martinez signed a bill into law. It makes it illegal to distribute these sensitive private messages into public without that person's permission, and that includes when the goal is to harass, humiliate, and intimidate that person. Supporters of the legislation say some victims of so-called revenge porn have even taken their own lives.
I think that if pictures can lead to like suicide or anything tragic to that one person that someone is getting revenge on, then it'll help put a stop to it.
I think it'd be pretty good. Just, people don't really need to have their privacy diminished like that.
The law goes into detail with its definitions, but in essence, private parts and topless pictures of women sent with the intent to cause harm will be covered by the new law. The Public Defender Department says it's really hard to say how much work this new law will create, but they do tell the legislature, quote, "We expect a notable number of persons charged with this crime soon after its inception, perhaps the greatest numbers," they say, in children's court. If you do it once and you're found guilty, it's a misdemeanor, but if you're convicted for a second or more time, that immediately becomes a felony. Dean, back to you.
All right, Aaron, thank you. At least 16 other states have enacted similar laws. The law goes into effect here July 1st.